morning to you all. We the students of class UKG welcome all to this bright and cheerful morning. Prayer. I invite for your clap for the prayer form. We praise you, we praise you, we praise you, Jesus, 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 we praise you, we love you, we love you, we love you, Jesus, 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 we love you, we love you, we love you, we love you, Jesus, 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 we I invite Xavier'S to share today's talk. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Hey, welcome, Siva. I start to read the news. Today's news: Kerala Rudra, Netherlands close to out for India. Booth 11 officers to strike work today. Pilgrimage season begin at Xavier'S. New is following with thank you. Morning exercise. Now it is time to refresh our body and mind. I invite Emmanuel Roger to do by learning something new and spreading happiness all. What's up in this place?